yung mga resident auditor reports ng COA, o napansin ba ninyo already ito, na may mga problemang ganito? At least for these two, since we're talking about the two GOCCs today under the DA and the DA mismo, so in this case, tatlong auditor yan. May auditor ang ZIREC, may auditor ang NAVCOR, may auditor ang DA, Office of the Secretary. Tama? Okay.
Yes, sir. They have the respective auditors.
Correct. Okay, now, ang DA is one of the top 10 departments of the national government. Okay? May audit report din yan. Di ho ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tinitignan ba ng COA Commissioner yung audit report ng tanggapan ng DA? I'm sure tinitignan siguro. I suppose, no? Yes.
Siguro po. Hindi ka...
I'm sorry?
Maybe, sir. There.
So you're not sure?
I'm not sure, sir, because I am in charge of the Special Audit Office, so may kanya-kanya
Only
pong
the special
director.
audit. Sige, let me go direct to the Special Audit Office. Sige. Okay. Meron naman talagang resident auditor yan. Okay? Ano ang dahilan bakit kayo gumawa ng special audit? What is the reason for a special audit ba? How is it different from a regular audit?
Ang special audit po, sir, kung halimbawa, even previously, meron ng na-establish namin na medyo malaki na yung nagiging pondo sa isang project at hindi masyadong nako-cover sa audit kasi ang audit nga po is regular. I mean, yung regular funds ang nafo-focus nila. So, we focus, doon naman po kami sa mga hindi masyadong nako-cover ng auditor. Parang to augment yung auditor sa concern. Minsan naman po, nire-request ng auditor mismo na eto yung mga issues na hindi na namin makover. So, yun po yung aming ini-establish. Kumbaga, inila-line up in the audit. Or merong mga...
Hindi ho ba ang trabaho ng regular auditor, lahat ng pondo dumaan sa ahensya ngayon, i-audit niya, hindi pa pwede selective?
Dapat nga po, kaya lang po, hindi naman nga po nila nako-cover lahat. Dahil
so,
minsan
kulang
po,
na
dalawa
tao?
sila, yes sir,
Okay.
Kulang
Okay.
sila and then they are covering so many agencies. So, minsan po, talaga nagpapa-assist sila.
So, assistance, hindi special audit.
No, it is
Iba
in the
naman
form of special audit. I
Ganon,
mean, kung meron silang malalaking hindi na nako-cover, and then ire-request nila na magkaroon na ng special audit for that.
In this case, why did you do a special audit for these two GOCCs? What triggered it? Meaning to say?
Ganito po kasi yon. When we nung mag-audit na po kami ng PDAF, tiningnan po namin yung NEP. Kung anong agencies ang malalaki ang narilisan. So, kasama po ang, of course, DPWH for VILP. Sa PDAF po, ang malaking narilisan, DA at saka DSWD. And NLD, CMTRC. So, yun po yung top 4.
Okay.
So, we covered that. Pag-audit po namin ng DA, halos doon nila inilagay sa dalawa. So, we covered them.
Question. So, walang kinalaman yung regular audit in deciding
Yung agency po,
in deciding what you special audit ninyo. Meaning to say, you mentioned na talagang PDAF ang iniisip ninyo.
Yes. Yes,
Tama?
sir.
I would have thought that the regular audit would have triggered a special audit.
Hindi po. Yung po yung mga hindi, yung kumbaga generally na pag nagmi-meeting is napapag-usapan ng mga ASCOM na yung particular fund na yon ang medyo hindi nako-cover ng mga agencies. So,
Okay.
yun po yung, and then may mga nababasa na sa newspaper na parang may mga problema. So, kino-consider din po yun in selecting the program to be audited.
Okay. What other special audits are you doing right now? Para alam natin.
Ngayon po, meron po kaming Malampaya funds.
For what years?
Ah, 2005 yata, sir, yun to 2011 or 2012.
Okay,
Oo.
okay. And then what else?
And, we are auditing po yung MWSS at saka yung dalawang concessionaires is a rate audit. At yun po, at saka LRTA.
Okay.
Excuse me
That's the
lang.
only one, huh?
Excuse me lang.
Yes,
I just wanted to ask, is the Malampaya Fund audit report ready for release?
Not yet, sir, because we are still waiting for the comment of the DAR and
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Now, after a regular audit is done, normally, so maliwanag din sa testimonya nyo, and let me use this for the budget deliberations later on, na kulang kayo sa tao.
yes, sir.
So I think we should really augment, Mr. Chairman. Maybe that should come out as a finding later on. Kasi napansin ko, very much delayed talaga ang COA audits din. No? Kulang kayo sa tao, palagay ko dapat dagdagan, as you are mentioning earlier. Halimbawa, today we're discussing the 2014 budget. Their audit reports, hindi kompleto, mga ilang agencies lang, for 2012, yung iba 2011 ba? So talagang palagay ko kulang. Posible ang tao ng COA na pwede natin dagdagan, I suppose, later on, so that it can help management, in this case, the legislators, in crafting the budget moving forward, di ba? Palagay
Yes, sir.
ko, hindi mangyayari to kung taon-taon na audit na mabuti at natitignan ng legislator yung COA report. Not to say that I agree with all COA reports and all COA interpretations. Dahil nakikita ko rin naman, paiba-iba eh. In certain instances, you say, depende kung sino yung auditor eh. Meron auditor na ito sasabihin, pag ibang auditor, iba rin yung sasabihin. I mean, you understand me, no? Am I correct, Director Susan?
Maybe po, maybe. But I don't know. I don't really know.
Okay.
Because we are naman po guided by the guidelines eh. So,
Correct. But interpretation
dapat
eh. Maraming
maybe,
interpretation
sir,
na iba kasi eh, no?
Maybe,
Okay, so hindi perfecto din ang COA. Naintindihan ko naman yon.
po.
But there is a need to have a strengthened COA. There is no doubt in my mind.
Yes po, yes po.
Okay? Now, at the end of a report, hindi ba meron kayong exit conference lagi sa mga regular agencies?
Yes po.
So, do you have exit conferences with the DBM?
Hindi. Yung pag-government-wide po kasi kami, we are covering so many agencies. So, ang ginagawa po namin, pinadadalhan namin kasi it's hard to schedule.
What do you mean by it's hard to schedule?
Yung mag-schedule ng exit conference dahil sa dami nga po nila. So we can cover all in a short time, mapadala namin sa kanila ang results ng audit. We are sending them audit highlights. Yung audit highlights po, nakalagay na po doon yung lahat ng naging observation namin. And then we are saying na should there be a need for a clarification, we can schedule an exit conference.
Correct, okay.
But then most of them naman po, sumagot na lang in writing yung explanation
Okay.
on the audit highlights.
In most implementing agencies with local government units, with many implementing or departments, I suppose, there is a one-on-one executive exit conference between the head of agency and the regular auditor.
Yes po, pagka
Diba?
po yun sa regular audit po,
Oh.
if you are covering only one agency,
Correct.
nagagawa
Okay.
pa po
So
nila.
let me say, for example, para magkaintindihan tayo, I'll try to wrap up immediately. DBM Secretary and the resident auditor, meron yan exit conference.
Yes po, meron po.
Secretary of Agriculture and the resident auditor, meron yan exit conference. In your own words, can you explain to us bakit mahalaga yung exit conference?
Opo, ang purpose po ng exit conference is to let the management know kung ano yung naging result ng audit. So in our case po, since we can no longer schedule, kasi po in this particular case, we covered 100
No, I'm not talking about this case. I'm talking about the regular muna.
Okay
Let's-
po. Ang purpose po is
Ah.
to let the management know kung ano po yung resulta ng kanilang evaluation dun sa mga transactions na inaudit nila.
Correct.
Yun po ang purpose nun.
Correct.
And then to get their comments para kung meron silang mga documents na hindi pa na-submit sa COA,
Correct.
so they can further evaluate it
Correct.
and reconsider their observation.
And doesn't that help the management improve?
Yes, sir. Oho.
Di ba?
Yes, sir.
Para hindi na maulit kung may masamang nangyari or whatever, to improve its ability to effectively discharge its duties and its mandate and so on and so forth.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, now, meron din kayong consolidated COA report dapat, di ho ba?
Yes, sir. The auditor of the Office of the Secretary is consolidating all reports under yun pong mga regional offices
Correct,
and
correct,
all that.
correct. Okay, now, what about a consolidated COA audit report for the national government?
We are releasing
Meron dapat yun, di ba? Hmm.
financial audit report for national corporate and LGUs.
Oo.
And that is, I guess, due on September, sir.
Okay.
We are releasing that.
Okay. Now, wala kayong exit conference sa DBM with regard to, for example, highlights an executive summary of the operations of the national government? Meron ba kayong ganun sa DBM? Halimbawa, paano ginagastos yung mga unprogrammed fund, special purpose fund, PDAF?
I don't think so may
Wala
ganun,
kayong
sir.
ganon.
Oo, wala siguro. Kasi po
Okay.
yung auditor ng DBM, ang ino-audit niya yung disbursements ng DBM.
DBM lang. I'm
Opo.
talking